Hey yo, what's up? What's popping? Are you guys ready for Christmas? Anyway, today I'm here to share with you 3 steps on how to achieve a perfect eyebrows. That's what I follow, and that have helped me save my brows from looking like sisters instead of being twin. So, if you want to know how to achieve a perfect brows in 3 simple steps, stay with me. So, let's get into it. Step 1. Conceal from the inner corner to the tail. Yeah, that will help you shape up your brows really good. I know everybody like that flawless brows. Step 2. From the peak to the tail. Yep. And step 3. From the fullness to the peak. And you're just gonna love that. Oops. She snatched. Anyway, that's it, baby. If you like it, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell. Appreciate you. Thank you. Bye bye.